Hi, this is Maheshwari from 3rd BCA at KCS Kasnada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about ASP.NET. Request object. When a browser asks for a page from a server, it is called a request. Request object is used to get information from a visitor. It is collection, properties and methods are described below. First one, collection. Collections. Client certificate contains all the field values stored in a client certificate. Cookies contains all the cookie values sent in a HTTP request. Form contains all the form input values from a form that uses the post method. Query string contains all the variable values in a HTTP query string. Server variables contains all the server variable values. Properties. Property. Total bytes. Return the total number of bytes the client sent in the body of the request. Method. Binary read. Retrieves the data sent to the server from the client as a part of a post request and stores it in a safe array. Query string collection. The query string collections is used to retrieve the variable values in the HTTP query string. The HTTP query string is specified by the values following the question mark like this. AHREF equal to test.asp question mark text is equal to this is query string test. Link with a query string. The line above generates a variable named text with the value. This is a query string test. Query strings are also generated by form submission or by a user typing a query into the address bar of the browser. Syntax. Request dot query string variable index of dot count. Parameter and description. Parameter. Variable required the name of the variable in the HTTP query string to retrieve. Index. Optional. Specifies one of the multiple values for a variable. From 1 to request query string variable dot count. Form collection. The form collection is indexed by the name of the parameters in the request body. The variable of request.form element is an array of all the value of element that occur in the request body. You can determine the number of values of a parameter by calling request form element dot count. If a parameter does not have multiple values associated with it, the count is 1. If the parameter is not found, the count is 0. Next point. To reference a single value of a form element that has multiple values, you must specify a value for the index parameter. The index parameter may be any number between 1. Browser object gets or set information about the requesting client's browser capabilities to detect browser types in a ASP.NET page. First point, query the browser property which contains an HTTP browser capabilities object. This object gets information from the browsers or collect client device during a HTTP request, telling your application the type and level of support the browser or client device offers. The object is turn exposes information about browser capabilities using strongly typed properties and a generic name value dictionary. Next, server variable collection. Server variable collections retrieves the value of predetermined environment variables and request header information. Syntax. Request dot server variables. Server environment variable. Parameters. Server environment variable specifies the name of the server environment variable to retrieve. It can be one of the variable listed in server variables. Thank you.